Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the graphics quality in StarRupture. Let's begin by opening the Options menu. From there, navigate to the Video section. Scroll down. Under Graphics Quality, you can choose a preset. You can choose between Epic, High, Medium and Low. Down below in Advanced Graphics, you can set your own preset. As you can see, now it changed to Custom. You can change the quality level for Global Illumination from Low, Medium, High to Epic. Do the same for Reflections, Shadows. You can choose your anti-aliasing mode between TSR, TAA and None. Here it is explained. Non-anti-aliasing may produce visible jagged edges, but offers the fastest performance. TAA is a balance between smooth edges and performance, may produce a smooth image on lower resolution, and TSR is best for visual clarity and resolution. But it impacts game performance. I will go with TSR. Anti-aliasing quality. Here you can choose the quality of the anti-aliasing you chose. Right here. You can turn it off, medium, high and epic. You can change the shading quality. I think. Yes. From near to medium to far to epic. I will leave it at epic. Change the view distance. This will change how far away the objects will load in and their LOD in the distance. I'll go with epic. Foliage quality. Low, medium, high and epic, like we talked about. Textures. From low, medium, high and epic. There is also the option for landscape tessellation. This will result in more detailed landscape geometry. But this feature is still in development. It's experimental, so expect a significant performance drop. I recommend turning it off. There is also landscape. The settings go the same way for this. Effects and post-processing. Here under additional graphics, you can turn on or off the motion blur, change its quality, change the scale of the motion blur, although I recommend turning it off. There is also frame rate limit on battery, frame rate limit for the menu and frame rate limit for the background. Of course, the options are explained right here. If you have any questions, simply first look here, then you may post them in our comments. We will definitely respond. And well, that's about it. After making your choices, simply hit apply and go back. You're ready to play. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.